What's up, my oh so beautiful people? Today we're going to be going over the digital app, the digital precious metal app called OneGold. And I wanted to show you here on my actual phone, so I'm doing a screen recording, and we're just going to go over pretty much what it is. So let's go into the app. You see some of my investment kind of app here, but let's go into the app. So again, already signed in. I have like $5. We don't need to see this, but did you know OneGold is IRA approved? Oh, is that right? So we'll talk about that probably in another video. But in this video, I just wanted to go over what it is and, why you should consider downloading it. And if you're in the precious metal space, they could be a good place for you to house your money. Or, even if you're looking for a place to get better returns rather than a savings account on your money. So, okay, let's just get into it, right? So what is OneGold? OneGold is the first online marketplace where you can manage digital metals and precious metals, right? So pretty much is a digital platform where you can manage your precious metals, okay? So product and transactions are available for 24/7 and it's instant. So think about like your crypto, think about like your bank account, think about like your E-Trade or whatever your brokerage account you use. That's what OneGold is. OneGold is going to be that digital platform. As you can see, I have it on an app where you can store your money, track the precious metal market, and be able to buy gold, silver, platinum. We got Swiss gold here, Volt Chain gold, Canadian Volt Chain, silver, auto invest. Again, there's so many different options for you to invest in precious metal using this app, right? So you may ask yourself, why should I download or why should I invest in OneGold, right? The app. So OneGold represents real, actual precious metals. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again. This is a platform that actually represents real precious metals. So if you deposit money into this platform and you buy gold or you buy silver or platinum, you can actually cash out and redeem your gold. So it's not like paper currency. It's not like the COMEX where you just buying paper, gold and paper silver, which is the ratio between the two is insane. I think it's like 100 to 1, like 100 paper shares to one actual precious metal. And to be quite honest, listen to a bunch of specialists in this realm. They haven't monitored the inventory in the vault at the Fed for over 70 years to actually see how much precious metals is inside the vault. So if somebody were to go and claim the gold that they have in the COMEX, hopefully it's all there, because if it's not, that's a whole nother, big problems that we have to face. So again, if you have OneGold and you invest in OneGold, you can actually redeem your metal. So let's actually go to that. So you go to this icon here, and this is the home screen. This is like your dashboard. And then here's your portfolio. You can pretty much see how much your balance is, what's in metal, what's in cash. We have gold, silver, platinum, your holdings, where it is. Again, very simple to use, just like any other brokerage. Then your USD, so how much money you have. So if you're familiar with like Coinbase, if you're familiar with like your online mobile accounts, this will be pretty simple for you. So let's go back to the home screen here. And then we're going to go to, the menu to buy, sell, and redeem your precious metal. So you click, I'm going to go back one more time. So you click this middle portion here with the OneGold logo. You click that and you have the options buy, sell, fund, and redeem. Okay. So, pretty self-explanatory. If you want to buy, you go here, and this is the current spot price of gold. And this spot price is based off of APMEX, if you're familiar with them, is based off of their platform. So you're going to have the premium. They show you like a whole breakdown of the symbol, the volt, the premium that you're going to pay on it, the spread. So you're pretty much going to get access to all this information. And I did not know that silver was up. Gold, excuse me, was up 4% today. Lucky me. But you could buy silver, platinum, and gold. Okay, so with the gold options, you could buy US gold, Swiss gold, or Canadian gold, like the maple leaf, Royal Canadian Mint. And then here, you got the Swiss gold, and then the US if you're into the American Eagles. So let's just click buy. Okay, so here, normally, if you want to do a dollar amount, you can, because you can break it up into, a certain amount that you want to continuously invest in, and we can show that as well. But when I buy, I just, change the option and go to ounces. So I want to buy 1 ounce and press. So right here below, it'll show you the total price that you're going to pay. So spot price is at $1734.98. The total amount you're going to pay is $1,804.21. And, again, that's just paying a premium. So I did not add a payment method, but here are the different payment methods you can use. So your credit card, MasterCard, Visa, and it's going to be a 3.99% service fee. Now, that's extremely high if you ask me. And then PayPal, the same thing, 3.99% service fee. But your bank wire, so doing a bank wire transfer of funds is free, so no fee. And then if you link your bank account, to instantly fund the OneGold, account, it's free as well, right? So, and then also you have the option to pay with Bitcoin, Gemini, and all the different crypto platforms that they have, and then that's 1.99%, and then a personal check. So, if we're going to be using digital platform, I would really shoot for, credit card, PayPal, bank wire, bank account, and Bitcoin kind of option. But whatever, suits you. I'm always aiming towards no fee so I can get the most out of my money. Paying those 3.99% fees. I understand they got to cover certain costs, but, I'm trying to, pay no fee at all. So I'm going to back out of here. I didn't add any account yet. I just wanted to show you the actual platform and what OneGold was. I'm going to do another video and see, you could do auto invest. You could do, refer to a friend, get $5. I'm going to have my refer link below. You could get alerts on, what the market is doing. I've received some alerts today saying that gold was up and silver was up. And then you can you just go here to learn more center. So again, it's pretty much just like a Coinbase or like a E-Trade account. I have those, brokerages. So it's pretty much an online platform, but again, actually, and then this is like spot price and the market and charts and things like that. Always great examples and always great resources to have when you're investing in anything. But let's go back to what I was talking about earlier, about redeeming your precious metals, like the physical metal. So if you're somebody who wants to have that tangible asset in their pocket with them, you have a safe, you have somewhere to put it, you want it to be safe with you, you can actually click redeem and it'll take you to APMEX, which is like the #1 resource gold bullion, very well known, over 1 million clients. Like, they've been around for years. And you can actually add whatever, however you want your coin, whether you want American Eagle, Gold Buffalo, Canadian Leaf, any way you want your gold and what size you want it. And you can pick from their options, add it to the cart. So I'm going to kind of go back to the top here, add it to the cart. And then you can check out and have it sent to your home. You can actually have this sent to your home. So if you say, you know what, I want to actually see if this is true. I want to actually see if they're going to send me my metal. This right here is when you could validate. They will send the actual precious metal based on the amount of money you have in your account. and they will send that precious metal directly to your home. So it's easy to convert the cash that you have in your account value, into the actual precious metal physical holding and have it sent out to you for free. So again, I just wanted to quickly go over OneGold. I think this is a great platform to use if you're into precious metals, and you kind of don't want to have that physical metal on you, and you don't have anywhere to keep it in a safe, or you don't want to pay a brokerage fee, or to keep it in a safe. And I mean, everyone advises this, and I'm just here give you my experience. But having your precious metals inside of a bank like Bank of America, Chase, whoever your bank is, inside one of their private storages, I'm not sure how safe that would be. So this is a great way to keep your precious metals safe, but also being more up to date and more current with all the digital platforms and all the online offerings we have available to us today. So again, just wanted to show you the OneGold app. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it. I am going to be doing another video here soon, but I definitely wanted to show you what this app was about. And in the future, I'm definitely going to be using this. So I'm going to do another video kind of going into the portfolio section, going into the buy, sell, and fund section. I'm going to add my bank account information to it. And then also, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the auto invest. I think that's pretty good information that I can share. But I'm looking forward to deep diving into this app, OneGold. And again, this is just a great way for people who want to invest in precious metal to be able to do so safely, and be able to do so more modern, and actually know that you can order your physical precious metals if you want it. But I personally really like this platform, and I look forward to using it later on. So again, thanks again for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share this with somebody, and until next video, appreciate it.